Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel, So Cool Creations. Today is not our regular crafting video. Today we will be vacuuming and doing some spring cleaning with this new rainbow vacuum. This is my first time ever trying a rainbow. So here we have our vacuum piece, and then here we have our actual device. This actually works as an air cleaner and air purifier when it's not being used as a vacuum. So you can see the water in it. It's clear, clean water. So I'm going to try vacuuming this already clean floor and see what we pick up. So this is how the air purifier sounds and the vacuum sounds. Right now it's on its highest setting, so it's a little loud. And here we can see the blue, clean water. And then here's the box to it. It's the Rexair 85 certified air cleaner. So here's the other box it comes with. This is all of our attachments to use. We have our 5-foot hose, which is this piece. And we have the 2 metal poles that hook to the hose and to the vacuum, our instructions, more instructions, and then we have like a space bag type thing to vacuum out pillows and stuff like that. And then we have our different attachments that can go on the end of the pole. We have our broom attachment, balloon attachment, our duster attachment, and then attachments that go good in the corners, then our stain remover attachment, and this one's a dusting attachment also. So it really just comes with anything you could possibly need when vacuuming or dusting your house. Let's try it out. So now we're just hooking the 2 poles together and attaching it to the vacuum piece. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so you never miss a video. So now we're just hooking the pole to the vacuum base. And now this just snaps right in. There we go. And we're going to turn this on high. Dark and gray. Not as many particles in the water as the first time though. Not as thick either. Still dirty, but not as much. Fill it halfway. It's going to be a little bit above the line that you see on the bottom, and then there's also a center ball in the middle that it's going to be barely over the top of the ball. So here's the floor after vacuuming it 3 times with the rainbow vacuum. So it's a lot cleaner, like even just filling it or laying on it, it feels and looks a lot cleaner. So now I'm just putting in clean water, and I'm going to use the vacuum as an air purifier for the rest of the day. Thank you so much for watching So Cool Creations. Come see what cool creation I create next by subscribing to my channel.